everyone! Today we are going to draw a cute ice cream cone, like this. Let's get started. I'm going to use a black pen marker. First, I'm going to draw a rainbow line. Then I'm going to make a little U shapes of the bottom of our ice cream scoop. They are all connected all the way to the other side, like this. Now it's time to draw a cone. First, you should make a V shape. Draw a line who comes down, stop here, and draw another line who comes up, like this. Now something is missing. First, I'm going to draw a circle right here, and another circle going to be next to the first one. And then I'm going to draw another circle inside in top right, and another little smaller circle bottom left, like this. Now we are going to make our ice cream scoop happy. First, you can draw a little smile right between her eyes or his eyes. Now it's time to coloring. Now go back to the eyes. I'm going to color in a big circle and two others white. You can use pink for her cheeks. You can use different colors, whatever you want. I'm going to add a cherry on top of our ice cream scoop. You can draw a cherry or another fruit as you like. Now our ice cream is done. You can draw a different kind of ice cream if you want. For example, you can add more scoops on top. Hope you like it. See you next time. Bye!